Our family traveled to Thailand.
Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss your next lesson.
Oh no, it's 6:50. We're late. Mike, wake up. We overslept.
What time is it? 6:50? Our flight is at 9 o'clock.
9? Oh no.
Okay, let's move.
Elisa, Jordan, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We're going to Thailand.
Thailand? Beaches and temples.
Yes, but only if we catch the plane.
I'm up. Where's my green hoodie?
In your closet.
Jordan, find your shoes. Please.
I can't find them.
Here, little explorer. Your shoes are under your blanket. Again.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the red backpack. And yes, I packed coffee. No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my drawing book.
Good job, Elisa.
Jordan, what about you?
I packed my toy robot and a banana.
Only that?
Oh, right. Clothes, too.
The taxi arrives in 8 minutes.
8 minutes? I didn't brush my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine.
Nice try, but comb time. Checklist, passports, check. Tickets, check. Snacks, check. Chargers, double check. Perfect. We're ready.
Wait, my stuffed elephant. Where is it?
On the sofa?
Got it. Let's go.
Good morning. Going to the airport?
Yes, please. Terminal 1.
Seatbelts on, everyone.
I'm so excited. I've never flown before.
Really? Your first flight?
Do airplanes have bathrooms?
Yes. Tiny ones, like toy bathrooms.
Cool. I want to try it.
Not now, Jordan. Wait until we're in the sky.
Oh no. Traffic. Cars. Please move.
Relax. The airport isn't far.
Mom, what will we see in Thailand?
Beautiful beaches, markets, elephants, temples, many colors everywhere.
I want to see elephants.
I want Thai ice cream.
You two want everything.
Thailand is amazing. So alive, so colorful.
Mom, look. Airplanes.
Yes, we made it. Terminal 1.
Thank you, driver.
Okay, little travelers. Let's find our gate.
Wow, so many people.
Airports are always busy, especially in the morning.
It looks like a giant mall.
I see planes, real ones.
Yes, sweetheart. We'll be on one very soon.
First, check in. Let's find our airline counter.
There, Gate A. The line for Thailand.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
It means we give our passports and we get boarding passes.
And then airplane time?
Almost. After check-in, we go through security.
What is security?
People check bags to make sure there is nothing dangerous.
Like toy swords.
I only have my robot.
Robots are fine.
Okay. Almost done here. Security is next.
Please place your bags on the belt. Shoes too, thank you.
Even shoes?
Yes, sweetheart. Just for a moment.
Look, Mom, we're almost at the front.
Good. We're doing great.
All clear. You may go ahead.
Finally, we can breathe.
Gate 14. This way.
Oh, I can see the airplanes. So big.
I want to sit by the window.
Maybe next time, buddy. Elisa has the window seat today.
Passengers traveling to Bangkok, please proceed to boarding. Gate 14.
That's us. Let's go. Slowly. No rushing.
Passports ready? Boarding passes ready?
Welcome aboard. Have a pleasant flight.
Wow, look at the seats.
I can see the wing.
Everyone, seatbelts on.
Good morning. We will take off soon. Please remain seated.
Here we go. Hold on.
We're moving. Faster. Faster.
Look, the ground is smaller. We're in the sky.
You two are doing great.
Look outside. The clouds look like soft pillows.
I want to touch one.
Maybe one day. For now, just enjoy the view.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will begin descending into Bangkok shortly.
We're already there?
Yes. Thailand. Here we come.
Kids, do you remember what we did today? We woke up very early. We packed our bags. We called the taxi. And we drove to the airport. We checked in. We went through security. And we waited at the gate. Then we got on the airplane. We took off. And we flew high in the sky. You looked at the clouds. You listened to the sounds. And you were very brave. It was a big day, a long day, but a good day. And now, our adventure is just beginning.
Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss your next lesson.